Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we are making Ulta Pizza Paratha. So this is a nice lunchbox recipe that you can send for your kids and you can also enjoy it. The ingredients list is given below, so do check it out. I've got lots of lunchbox recipes on my channel and I have a playlist for the same, so do check it out. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's move into the recipe. So I've taken some wheat flour and salt in a bowl, and now we're going to prepare the paratha dough. As usual, pouring some water in and then making the dough. So let me pour water gradually and then bring the dough together. Optionally, you can add some pizza seasoning to the dough to make it even more tastier. So my dough is ready. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil on top, rub it in, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get the toppings ready. So I've got some chopped onions, mushroom, black olives, capsicum, red chili flakes and pizza seasoning here. I've also got some grated cheese and some ketchup. So this is going to be the topping for the paratha. So I've taken all the vegetables in a bowl into which I'm going to add some salt to taste. Then we'll add in the ketchup. If you have pizza sauce available with you, you can use that as well. Now mix everything together. I've also added in the chili flakes and the pizza seasoning to this, and the stuffing is ready. Now we'll just roll out a paratha from the dough that we had kept for resting. So we'll roll one out and roll a second one of the similar size. So my paratha is ready. I'm going to put the stuffing on one of the parathas. Spread it out generously. I'm adding some cheese on top. Now what topping you add to the dish is up to you. You can use anything of your choice. Now I'm adding the other paratha on top of this paratha and then I'm going to cover it nicely. And seal it from the edges. And the paratha is ready. Now I've got a pan on medium flame and I'm going to place the paratha on top of it. The flame has to be medium or medium low. Now I'm greasing this with a little bit of oil. You can use ghee or butter as per your preference. Now we'll flip this and cook the paratha nicely until it's done from inside as well. So I'm going to flip this once again. And wait for the brown spots to appear and the paratha to cook through. So you can see it's browned on one side. Let's flip and cook it from the other side as well. Once cooked from both sides, the paratha is ready to be served along with some ketchup or chutney of your choice. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.